What's up, guys? Alright, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the new car. Yeah, I got a new car. This is the sad or bad news. Some people might like it, some people might not. But let me show you guys right now. This thing, it's a bucket, but it's a promising bucket. Yeah, I'll show you. What's up, guys? Alright, so as you guys saw, got a new E30 sedan, black, faded ass black, but this one's cool. As you saw, M50 swapped, you know, regular E30 transmission, so nothing special there. But this is basically like the broke man's E30. It's a bang for your buck build right here. Nothing crazy, but there's a couple problems we gotta fix before we can take it out to a drift event. I know I said that about the last car we're gonna take it out, but I see more promise with this car. Trust me, trust me. E30s are where it's at. So, first thing is, we have no second gear. Like, I don't know what happened. This eBay quick shifter just like doesn't even let it go into second gear. My driver window doesn't go down. Nothing. And the car says it starts overheating, but I'm not sure. Look, this second gear, watch. See? It just pops itself out. So I just ordered some parts, waiting for those to come in. We got lots of things coming for this car. I'm debating if I should just take all this M50 stuff and swap it into the white one and just have that running. Right? We could just buy, you know, a whole bunch of stuff for the white one, like have it like pre-made for the LS. So like getting like coils, you know, because if I take this out drifting, you know, we're gonna want to do some tandems. We're gonna need a roll cage. I don't know, getting in bucket seats. See, like, I see a lot more pros switching everything to the white one, but I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think about that. option. Here, there's a red light coming up. I'll show you a little pull. It won't be quick because we don't have a second, but we'll see it. It has the 7K rev limiter, so that's pretty cool. See, sometimes 14 even comes out. I don't know. I feel like the shifter itself is not allowing the gear linkage to pull all the way. Or my transmission's going out. Either one. So I've been driving this car for a while now. I know I've had this car for a while. It's crazy. But it's pretty reliable. Like, it always starts up. The whole transmission situation, it was okay before I installed the eBay shifter, but you know, we have no ACs. A drift car, right? Nothing too crazy. That's pretty good on gas mileage. Might just weld the diff on this thing too. The funny thing was that I just replaced the transmission mounts because my transmission was connected to the mount itself. Like, it literally ripped itself apart. That was pretty sketch. The funny thing is that this car has a crack on the windshield over there in that corner. Same spot where my other E30 has it. Oh, I forgot to mention, I have a stage 3 clutch, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, besides that, there's nothing crazy. So yeah, just M50, stage 3. That's it. That's pretty much all the cool things. Oh, it's lowered. I don't know. I'm about to cash out on some CA2 drift coils. The springs are integrated in the shocks, like normal coilovers for the rear. That's about to be a bit pricey, but I'm super excited. Besides that, guys, it's a regular old E30. We gotta do maintenance on it for sure. Change all the fluids. I don't know when the last time's been it. Maybe change the spark plugs. We might compression test it too, just in case, to see if it's even worth doing all this crazy stuff with it. Or we might just send it into a wall. The world of possibilities, guys. So as you guys saw from the last clip, my GoPro died. Crazy, but saucy donuts. I'll get more later on. Need to charge on my camera equipment. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. Like, again, with the whole option, like, should I swap everything to the white one so we could just start buying parts for that one? Because the parts coming in, the parts that I ordered that are gonna come in, it's more to like help that swap. I don't know what else. It's a surprise. Let me know what you guys think. But don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, drop some comments. Again, let me know what you guys think. Be excited. It's about to get crazy. Peace.